Let me now talk about the basic features of this software. Most importantly, in this software you are going to get, apart from English language, you are going to get 5 Indian languages. You are going to get the software in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi and Bengali language. So during installation of the software, the default installation language is going to be English, but you can choose any one more language and it comes in the same price. You will not have to pay two prices for different language choice. Now there are many beautiful basic features in this software. Here you will get all the planets properly color coded so that looking at the chart itself you will know which planet is untenanted, which planet is a retrograde, which planet is in its own star or self star. So the color codings have been done beautifully. Which houses are empty? So whether you want to do KP or any other advanced theories of KP, this software on the very first screen, you will not have to move the mouse, you will not have to click, everything is in one place. Plus you have all the sublots, the divisions are given properly. You will get your required house divisions, Placidus, topocentric. You will get equal bhava divisions, you will get Sripati Paddhati house divisions. The choice of Ayanamsha, we have been very particular about Ayanamsha setting. So KP old Ayanamsha, KP new Ayanamsha with Newcomb's correction, Lahiri Ayanamsha, and for the first time in KP astrology software, you are also getting the true Chitra Ayanamsha, which has been accepted as one of the finest Ayanamsha, even better than the Lahiri Ayanamsha, which is there in your software. So these basic features are fantastic features. The ruling planets. In the ruling planets, we show not only the Rahu and Ketu's sign lord and star lord and sub lord, but also which planet is aspecting Rahu Ketu and is aspected by Rahu Ketu. In the planet table and in the house division table, you are going to find which are the planets which are aspecting other planets, conjoined with other planets, houses which are conjoining with the planets, aspected planets. Every information is right there on your main screen of the software. As you can see in the website, the screenshots are already given. So let me now take you through the demo of this software of the basic features. Let us look at the basic features of Light of KP Astrology software. So the first thing is to enter the new birth chart. So let us name this as testing 2, and you can select the gender and you can enter the date in any way you want. So let's say it is 4th October 2001 and it immediately shows you that it was a Thursday. Time also you can enter it in any way you like. Let's say I enter as 4:44 p.m. and it takes the time in the same way. Place we are selecting as any place which you want to put, because we have 360,000 places. So let's say it is Faridabad. So we have Faridabad, Haryana, and I am clicking create and save. So here I am saving the chart, and this is the first look of the main page that you are going to get. As you can see over here, there are color coded planets. All red planets are a retrograde. You can see Sun is a bolded planet, which means this is an untenanted planet. So Mercury is in the sub of an untenanted planet, and throughout the software we have kept hovering balloons, and when you keep it on Jupiter you can see the value of Jupiter, or on the bhava cusp you can keep it and you can see what is the sign, nakshatra, pada, sign lord, star lord, sub lord, and even the sub lord. You can see here all the houses, sign, degree, nakshatra, and then the occupied. And as you can see here, in the seventh bhava, Sun and Venus is occupied. So you can see that our divisions are absolutely helpful. As you can see over here, the seventh bhava is 20 degree 41 minutes and Venus is just 22 degrees, so it is appearing below the seventh bhava, not like other software where it will appear on top. Now this is some unique things you will find in the basic features. If I click on Kaspal Star Lord, then it shows that Sun as an untenanted planet is not the Kaspal sublord of any bhava or any house, but it is the star lord of the third house, as you can see over here. So this is very helpful for 4-step theory and 3.5-step theory. Moon is the Kaspal sublord of Kaspal star lord of the 12th bhava, and green colored bhava numbers mean these are the empty houses. So if you put your mouse over here, you can see what it is. So green color house numbers are empty houses. It helps you to do 4-step theory. You can click over here and see aspected. So moon is aspected by Mercury. So as you can see here, moon is aspected by Mercury and it is retrograde Mercury. Aspecting, if you see over here, especially Saturn is not aspecting any planet, but Saturn is aspecting 3 empty houses, 1, 6, 9 and 10. And over here we can see Rahu with its reverse drishti is aspecting Mars, Mercury, empty houses 1 and 6 and occupied houses 8 and 11. You can switch on conjunction, you can switch off conjunction. Same thing you can do over here. So this is a software which does not confuse you. This is a software which helps you with your required information, and you can switch off these columns. So this is one feature. The chart style, we are providing not only the South Indian and North Indian style, but you can for the first time have the East Indian Bengali style chart. And not only East Indian Bengali style chart, you are also having the Western chart. So whether you are based in India or you are out of India, you can choose your preferred chart style. You can change the size of planets, you can change the degrees of the planets, you can move Lagna to house, you can change it to planet symbols. As you can see over here, the chart symbols are now appearing. So instead of planet symbol, you can again go back to your typical planet names. Other planets you can include Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. For the first time in KP Astrology, we are providing the 5 asteroids because many Western astrologers would love to read the meanings of these asteroids. Now, if you are a teacher and you do not want to show this entire birth information, then you can switch this off and this becomes blank. It is very helpful for various internet forum discussion where privacy of the client or privacy of the chart holder is very important. So it can be switched on or switched off. Now in the chart over here, we can also change it into planet symbol. As you can see, everything has changed into planet symbol. So it does not matter whether you are accustomed with planet symbol or the numbers or the names, you can always change it. Now let us look at the other settings which are available in the basic features. We are only now looking at basic features. So if you see over here, languages, we are providing Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi and Bengali. Now there has always been a great demand for Hindi software, and if I click OK, then this is the beautiful Hindi version of the software which is available with you. Or I might change it entirely to another language which is in very high demand, and that is Bengali language. So you can see the Bengali language coming over here. So this is something which has been in great demand for a long time, and through this software we are fulfilling that. So let us come back to our English version of this software. Now this I have shown you. Look at the way how significators are shown. Very plain, simple, fourfold significators. You can click on aspected, you can click on aspecting, you can click on conjunction. Now, if you are looking at a planet like, let's say, Mars, you know what are the ABCD significators of Mars. You know Mars is the cuspal sublord of which houses. You know Mars is aspected by Jupiter and Rahu. Now, if you go to these settings and you click on calculations, planets and dasha, you can check the aspects. So I will come to the settings a little later. Let me just show you first the software in the fourfold significators. Here is the houses, fourfold significators. The fifth column is the cuspal sublord. You have the aspected column. So you will get the information as you require, not as desired by anyone else, not even by me, not even by the developer, but you will be your own master. You can switch off these columns if you want. If you right click and you go for JC Lutra style, or let's say, okay, we will go for JC Lutra style, you will get all this information. So you know Sun is an untenanted planet, is occupied in the 7th bhava, and Sun is the owner of the 7th bhava, and Sun is occupied also in the 7th bhava, and it is in the star of Moon, it is in the sub of Saturn, and this is how you are able to find the JC Lutra style. And this is the house frequency graph. As we can see in this chart, maximum number of planets have vibrated for the 4th house. Now this has a completely different information and it is helpful in a different way. So if you want to change your table, you simply click on sixfold significators and you get your sixfold significators. In the features, let us go back to the basic table. Now if I click on Sun, I get my small interpretation, Sun in Virgo. If I click on degree, I get to understand Sun in 17 degree. What does it mean? If I click on Hasta Nakshatra, I get the complete understanding of the nakshatra. Now let us look at the houses. If I click on first house cusp is in Aquarius. So what does it mean for the client? If you click on degree, first house cusp is in Aquarius. So what does the degree mean? A monk lying face upward on naked earth. What does it mean? So like that, for every house you can get the reading. Small reading is ready-made for you, and you will be able to make a very good professional impression on your client. So each of these are made in this software just as basic software. This is a basic feature. I have not yet started advanced feature. I have not yet spoken about the professional features. Now let us come to the Western aspects. This is the Western aspect table. Not only it gives us the normal Western aspects, but it gives us the special KP aspect which is used in 3.5 step theory, like 18 degree, 108 degree, 24 degree, 72 degree. You can switch on or switch off. So if I switch off special KP aspect, everything is going away. And if I want to do 3.5 step theory, I can do that. Now if I click on Mercury opposing Moon, if I click over here, I will get some reading. Or maybe if I click on Saturn trine Sun, I will get the reading. If I click on Mars opposition Jupiter, I get some reading. Or Jupiter or Saturn opposition Pluto, I get some reading. So here, for everything, you are not required to enter into any internet discussion forum or depend on anyone to tell you what is the truth. The truth is available with light of KP astrology software. So here, as we can see, the planet to houses aspects are shown. Arabic parts are there, and you can make a lot of good work with Arabic parts. And here, custom Arabic part view, you can add your own Arabic parts if you wish. And also there is an alternative view. As you can see here, the third cusp is conjoined with Arabic part friends and male children. The seventh cusp is conjoined with the Arabic part discord. So there might be marital discord with this person. And with the planet Sun, there is short travel. With planet Saturn, there is peril, Arabic part. Lot of helpful basic features, and these are all basic features. Basic features are available. Then there is a dasha. So in the dasha, as let us say right now the person is running Venus Mahadasha, and in Venus Mahadasha he is running Saturn Bhukti. So you can see the dasha over here, Bhukti over here, and this list now is the Antara list. It shows all the starting dates, and it also shows the year of the person. So let's say if I click on Sun, then the person is right now running Venus, Saturn, Sun, and we can go up to all the 5 levels. So Venus Mahadasha, Saturn Bhukti, Sun Antara, Moon Shukshma, and these lists are the Prana Dasha. So you have all 5 levels of Dasha available with you. And once you click over here, again you go back. There are many basic features which are there. I am not able to show all features because I want to make this demo video a short video. But those of you who are going to purchase this software, there is going to be elaborate videos. Many videos will be there to know how to use each of the features, and I'll just take you through some of the list of the features. So here there is cuspal adjustment. Many astrologers in Maharashtra, they believe in cuspal adjustment, so they will adjust the sublord. So if you adjust the sublord from Jupiter to Saturn, immediately the entire chart undergoes a change, about which I said long years ago. I said that whenever there is a cuspal adjustment, the entire chart should change, and that is how it is done. So you can either save it or you may not save it. So there are a lot of such basic features which are there. There is a full screen mode, and you can press F11 and you will again go back to this mode. You can go for chart full screen, so the chart becomes full screen for you to see. And then there are various tools which are there: Anamsha calculator, sunrise, Gati Vigati, degree sign, theory of short prediction, Lagna, moving Lagna to degree, which is not available in any other software except Jyotish Deepika, Lagna transit, ruling planet progression, birth time. So in birth time rectification, if I click on a rule of origin and I say verify, so it says birth time is correct. So you can verify the birth time, and if the birth time is not correct, then you can rectify the birth time in 1 hour range, in 1 to 2 hour range, and more than 2 hour range. If you click on rectify, the software is going to rectify your birth time. Lot of basic features are there. I just wanted to make a short video so that you are not bored. And next video that we are going to see are going to be that of the advanced features for this software.